look much better. At least I look clean shaved, right? So not all woolly looking. So we are going to bring our annual Christmas video to you guys, opening up the Christmas gifts that me and Carmen exchange every year. It could be long. We bought a lot of gifts for each other this year. So this is also the first year Carmen actually took her own money and bought Christmas gifts for people. I was excited to see that part of it, of her maturing into the young lady she's grown into. Enjoy our annual Christmas video.
So it's Christmas Eve, but we're opening up our Christmas presents a little early because so we won't be so rushed on Christmas Day, because we actually go to another relative's house on Christmas Day. So he's gonna be the first one to open up presents. That's why he is the center of attention right now. That's why I'm not really the center of attention.
And I am ready. So
all right, so he's gonna open up this stack first. Okay, so the first one you're gonna open up is this one.
okay.
Let's see what it is. Open it up.
I say I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna say it's gonna be that. It's either gonna be bubble gum, or it's going to be the prank thing where you pull the bubble gum and it shocks you. I actually need that.
I know, that's why I put it in there. Nice. Oh, no,
This feels like a big one.
Sorry, I kind of get crazy when I'm wrapping presents.
The game of things, humor in a box. Pick a topic, write a response, and guess who said what. And this will be good for when we have Jana.
Yeah, I know. I mean,
like,
I try to get things that you would like, but we could also play it as a group whenever Jana's
Things that are so last year.
Oh, fidget spinners?
Yes.
Because, it's still 2021. 2020 still had, fidget spinners and stuff in them, I guess. Oh my gosh, we'd have to look that up probably. I don't remember.
That's a good one. And then another one says, things that would make a good potato chip flavor. Apple cider potato chip.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to think of it.
Alright, so your next one. You can open up this one next. And then this one I think this one goes along with it.
I say this is going to be a calendar.
I don't know why I didn't put your name on any of them. Too bad.
Oh, that's what I was looking at.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Got the Annabelle, the Exorcist, Pennywise, Freddy. Oh, it's got the Lost Boys. That shocks me. I mean, it is a classic. We need to watch that movie.
Okay.
You'll like it.
Alright, this one goes along with it.
Like that. This goes along with it?
Uh-huh.
How does it go along with it?
You just have to open it and see.
It says, Santa Claus, you know match for me. This is what I wanted. No. I'm teaching her well. Oh my goodness. Teaching her well. And then you got the sleep numbers.
I just keep it on there. I thought it'd be fun.
Oh, that's funny. Let's see. I wonder if it's wrapped again.
I don't know. I don't honestly remember.
Oh gosh. Is it really am I gonna really ever get to the bottom of this? I mean,
Yeah, that's the last one. This is the one I found.
I think you've done a lot more extra unwrapping than I did, okay?
That's why I found it Five Below. That's why I wrapped it so much.
No, that's not Below.
They're posters.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it goes along with this. That's why I got it.
You can laminate it.
See? Mm-hmm. It's literally the same thing. Pretty much.
You can laminate it.
That's why.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one you open up is this one.
That's funny.
Have fun?
Yeah, I like this.
What's your next one? I really hope you like that one.
Hey, Mama, when you watch this, I'm on my coffee break.
Yeah, Mama, we're on our coffee break.
Like I said, I'm gonna try to leave this kind of a raw video and not really cut. So we're gonna just have fun, talk about the gifts, and you know, not gonna go off topic.
Yeah.
You know, we're just gonna have fun. You know, I can't. We're gonna have fun. I said we're gonna have fun.
I didn't disguise this one. I thought maybe, just maybe, you could put them in your room.
Yeah.
Because you already have them down here. So I was like, you can put them in your room, like around your dresser or something.
Yeah, that'll
kind
work.
of give you some LED light.
Around my TV.
Yeah. I think I didn't I did disguise it a little bit, but I don't think I did 40 million jobs like I did on that other one.
Series.
I didn't have any paper.
Hey, that works. I mean, utilize all the.
Let's see. Is the gift in there? I told you not to shake it too much. Because I didn't want you to know what it was. It's the one you was looking at Five Below. He was like, oh, this would be so cool to put up. I was like, yeah, that would be so cool.
I'm going to put it up. Obviously, I'm not drinking.
Well, yeah.
You know.
It's been in there for a month, so I don't want to.
That'd be cool to have Bob Ross sitting there right here, and I do my art. That'd be really cool. Thank you.
Alright, so your next. He's going to open this stack next.
So this is round number 2, huh?
Yep, and they got round number 3 and round number 4 right over there.
I don't know how many rounds you got.
And also, I thought you could put that in your room too. You can change your light bulb out and put that in place of the very bright white light bulb.
Yeah, I
and
like
whenever
that.
you're going to sleep at night, you can dim it and then fall asleep with the LED light.
Yeah, I like that.
I was also thinking you could do the same thing with this too.
Yeah.
I know what this is. Saving this one for last. I think I know what this is. Open up this one. This one I got last night.
You got this one last night?
Yes.
Yeah, this little rascal, she take her own money, just bought everybody's stuff, and I thought that was so sweet. Oh, gosh.
They're not taped or anything. All I have to do is just.
Okay. So you done what I done. I took one of the things upstairs and, you know, to this guy. I can tell you that because you're going to know as soon as you see it. You're like, oh, you didn't take that out of your room. This video might be an hour long. Who knows? Oh.
I remember he was talking about it, and I was like, you know what? It'd be cool to try. And the reason why I got it was because I actually saw what they looked like, and they looked good.
Yeah.
And they may be a little big, but I mean, you'd probably take them. You'd probably take them back, or.
I'm fine, and you know, be a review. We can do a
that's
review
why
on
I got it. Because
know?
I remember you were saying to do a review on that.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait and unbox this.
Yeah.
Wow, you really done good.
That's why I was able to get you more.
And the burp there. Oh, okay. So
they're it-shaped playing cards.
Yeah. That is cool.
And they were only
Hey, Marshall's. Yeah, that's a place to shop.
That's a place to shop for good stuff for cheap. I mean.
Yeah. They say Ollie's good stuff cheap, but I never find nothing in
I never find anything good in Ollie's.
They got some
find
books.
stuff in Marshalls and stuff.
Marshalls,
Ross,
Gabe's.
Gabe's, that's another one.
I like Gabe's. Can't complain.
You already seen that one. I showed it to you yesterday, but I was like, I wanted to continue wrapping, so I was like, I'll just add this.
She showed me this. She said, "I bought this for us so we can play cards." Didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you just racked me up over here, and I still got 2 more in this round.
Ta-da!
And so, what's your favorite part of Christmas? I mean,
seeing everyone's face light up whenever I see them opening up the gifts that I got them. But I like seeing my cousins' faces light up whenever they open up the gifts that they asked me to get them. So like Jana, whenever I get her something that she asked me to get her, I love seeing her face light up whenever I get her something that she likes.
Yeah.
That's probably my favorite thing about Christmas.
yeah, mine is giving. I mean, I love receiving.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying.
I love giving. You can tell.
I love giving. You know. Okay, that's exactly the one I wanted too. That way I can do my foot shots, angle shots.
I do not know what this is, and I don't know if I disguised it or not.
That will definitely be used.
Okay. I tried to get you stuff that you said that you liked in the store that wasn't too expensive. Here you go. Try it.
Ooh, that felt right.
Oh my gosh, this is the one that I'm so excited for you to open up. And that's the reason why I wrapped it like that.
Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to guess. I'm going to guess that this is the Michael Myers.
It's particularly something you would watch on a daily basis. I thought it was so cool. And then I like to make coffee. It's a little cauldron.
That's what she was dipping her thing in.
Yes. Except it wasn't a mug. It was just a little cauldron that she had.
That is awesome.
But I didn't know if you
it.
liked it, and it was the only one I saw.
That goes with the horror thing, in my opinion.
It was the only one that was Harry Potter, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's only one of these. And it's a little Walmart.
I was actually looking at that the other day.
I'm glad you didn't get it, because I got it for you.
I was like...
That same day that you told me that, Bigfoot journal, that would be so cool to have. That would be so cool to have. Like, that's when I got it. Because I remember I told you to go to the car.
Yeah, no lie. I was actually looking at this the other day. And I was like, I'm thinking about getting it. I don't know if you was with me. Might have been you was doing your thing, so I don't know. But I was like, I'm gonna get it.
I'm glad.
I was like, there ain't no way Carmen got this for me. I kid you not, you know. I do that.
Not disguised, because I had no way to disguise it.
Yeah, I can tell. It's a house.
But what?
It's my Harry Potter house.
I did wrap it good, because I didn't want it right. Don't mind the price.
Oh. This is where we love is home. Our feet may leave, but not our hearts. Oh.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm telling you what, Carmen has really grown into this giving, strong young lady. So,
yeah.
You know.
And this one's without. I gotta put this in for
I like that.
And I brought this one up.
Where did you find that one at? Gabe's. Whenever I told you to go to the car, whenever you got me something. I never would have thought of Millionaires. I didn't even see that.
Really?
Yeah, I never would have thought of Millionaires.
I think I got the last one.
You know. Thank you, sweetie.
Hope you like this one. It might bite, but.
Ow! Let's go on an adventure. Perfect. It'd be perfect for like a setup.
I just thought it was so cool how it had like the arrow, and I know you like adventures, so.
Yeah. It's kind of what I'm thinking about that.
Oh, actually, that's good because you can put that one over there because that arrow on go on is going that way and that arrow is going that way.
And then when we get a
like,
house, you know, it'll be like this, and then put the Explore in the middle. You got the Explore on there. We're gonna do some hanging up pictures and stuff.
Down.
Yeah. Sweet.
All right, your last two.
Okay, my last two. What's that?
I know, right? Me too. Which one got you more? This one.
Looks like in the sky's now. Those feathers be flowing in the paper.
Got that from Walmart too.
Oh, the little
Cup palm.
yeah, where you there used to be this show called the Bozo Show.
Stand by, we're all ready to play Bozos. Grand prize! And aim for number 4.
This is the grandest game of all, the grand prize game, the Bozo Show.
And you had to put the cups in whatever order, and you had to get those balls, and they had to stay in the cup. They couldn't bounce out, or you lost the game. But if you made it all the way through the end, you hit that last one, you get the grand prize. It was called the Bozo Show. It was a clown, not Ronald McDonald. Yeah, I like that.
And then I thought, since you like to go up in your room sometimes, it's just like that one except it's softer. It might need to
That
fluff
actually
it out a
goes
little bit.
with my
Bed theme.
yeah. I like that.
But I figured
I love these
that you could just keep that one upstairs and keep that one down here.
Yeah, I love these pillows.
I know, that's why I got it. I see it.
They're actually good if you got a
I'm
headache.
not actually gonna.
If you got a headache around your neck,
I'm not
put
gonna
it-
steal this one.
put it. She's gonna be an Indian giver.
I did steal your last one. Like
like
we
that.
borrowed the last one. Sorry. Okay. The last one. No.
I always wanted a post office. Where'd you get this box at?
I don't know if I did it there.
Really?
That's why I got it first.
I never seen one. You need to go to the doctor, man.
Oh.
That's gonna be edited a little different. Oh my goodness. Where'd you get that box?
Oh no, from
I'm like, dang.
I think I stole all the good boxes.
I think you did too. Something tells me it's wrapped up again. Oh my goodness.
Well, of course it's wrapped up again. Why wouldn't it be?
It's just what I wanted.
That's why I saved it for last.
Yeah, because what I'm gonna do with this particular thing, it's a little clicker, so this one, yeah. So let's say I'm recording with this, and
You want to take a picture?
yeah, I want to set it up on something to get like the sunrise or whatever, a good sunshot of me looking at the sun, and I want to use it for thumbnail. I set this up and I put this clicker in my hand and click, get the pic. Love it.
So,
Love it.
how about this? How about this?
Thank you. And she bought all this with her own money, so.
Wow, I have a mountain of gifts.
And she's got 3 over here,
And I got 50 over here.
so I don't even know how many.
So,
It's not that many, really.
this sounds like candy. Sorry, I burped. That was a burp. I don't know what kind of burp that was.
And it begins.
Oh my gosh. Birdie bought every flavored beans from Harry Potter. It's just like Bean Boozled, except it's Birdie Bot's every flavored beans. How would you get me that?
Well, it is Bean Boozled.
Yeah, in Harry Potter, Bean Boozled is Birdie Bot's every flavored beans.
Oh, okay. Hey, next weekend. That one.
The back?
Yeah, do the bag one.
Yes. I don't get to see it right away. Ooh, it's a book of some sort. You got the 11 book?
Yeah, it's unofficial. It's a fan page book.
I don't really care. It's so cool.
So it's just where somebody came up with the wrong idea or whatever of it. So it's a fan page book.
I love this. I wanted it so bad. Look at that.
Oh yeah, it's got some pretty good illustrations in
It
it.
does. Oh, it has like every place in the movie.
Yeah.
Hopper's Cabin, Hawkins Police Station, Hawkins High School, the Palace Arcade, Harrington House, Hawkins Middle School, Hopper's Trailer, not his cabin, his trailer, Melville's General Store, Sinclair's House, Henderson's House, Wheeler's House, Benny Burgers, Castle Byers' House, Hawkins National Laboratory, and I think it's Satter Quarry, the thing where,
Yeah.
This is really
I won't say
cool.
what exactly, but that may help us for what we're planning in 2022.
yes.
I ain't gonna say
Which we
what.
was kind of planning on
Yeah.
doing it in 2021, but kind of got pushed back.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
yep. Five Below.
Alright, so he did the little strips of rude. Comes with two.
Yeah.
I'll open the small one first.
Okay.
It's not good.
I can't remember what it is. I'm like, what is it?
Oh! That's so cute. I love that.
You like it?
Yes.
I know you said you like them, so
Yeah, it's so cute.
it's kind of like a little thing you put on your book bag or something,
Yeah, I love that.
or your belt.
Oh, this is a good one. This one's good. I'm glad you got this one.
And the way I judge it is how tight is it.
Alright, I'll dig into this one. Oh, something. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's fine.
Put sleeves on this thing. What is that?
I'm actually curious myself. It's funny because I'm like, you know, I wrapped it right.
Oh!
Good. I'm putting them in the order I want it.
I asked
So
for
far I
this
got
at
lucky.
Walmart.
I can't remember if you asked for it or not.
I did.
But I was like, I thought it was cool looking.
It is
So
cool.
I was like, that's pretty cool. It's like a Rubik's Cube to me.
Yeah.
Kind of like a modern day
That's so
Rubik's.
cool. I love that. And I actually wanted it too.
Yeah.
Oh my
So.
god. Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't have to be like "Ugh," when I'm opening them because they're most likely gonna all be in boxes.
Well, one of them is breakable. So, do be careful. Maybe a couple of them might be. So, you know, I don't know which one. So, it's one of the bigger ones. Might be that one. Might be that one.
I'll be careful.
I try not to wrap them up much.
Well, yeah, I don't think you tried hard enough. I love it though.
I know. It makes it
I would
fun.
be sad if you stopped doing all this wrapping. Oh,
What is it? I don't know. Oh,
that's so cool.
Let me
I
see.
can put that on the little thingy I have upstairs.
what is it?
Wait,
Is it the pins, right?
yeah. It says friends with Rachel, Monica, and Phoebe on front. It says hello, my name is Regina Phalange.
That's so funny.
Friends, and then you're the Rachel to my Monica.
That's what it is.
Oh my gosh, I can put that on my thingy upstairs now.
Yeah.
Remember the thing I was talking
That's
about?
what I was thinking about.
Yeah, I can
know.
put that on there. Or I could put it in my book bag. Man, this is actually heavy.
Now, if that's the one I'm thinking it is, you're probably going to love it, okay?
Don't we open it up last?
No, I ain't opening it up.
You sure?
Yeah, you're probably going to love it, so. Careful.
I am scared.
It's actually clean towels.
This always scares me.
You have to jump out. It might fight you.
I'm scared. Like, I'm like mega scared. Oh my god. The anticipation is rising. I don't know what this is. I feel another box. Oh my gosh.
All the houses.
Yes.
You like it?
That's so
I don't expect you
cool.
to drink out of them.
No, I'm putting these things up.
Just make sure those kind of glasses, make sure you clean them with a rag. Because if you don't, when they get dusty, they will start staining. And like
Yeah.
getting white cloud.
So cool. Yes.
You like it?
That's so
I don't expect
cool.
you to drink out of them. I got
No,
them to
I'm
put
putting
up.
these things up.
Just make sure those kind of glasses, make sure you clean them with a rag. Because if you don't, when they get dusty, they will start staining and like getting white clouded.
So cool.
You like it?
Yes.
I knew kind of what that was. So this.
I'm kind of glad that you don't know what they are because it makes me not be as nervous when I'm opening them.
Timber. I'm trying to be quiet when you open because I like to hear the paper.
I shouldn't do that. They'll be like, yeah.
Hopefully next year we have our own house. We can make as much noise as we want. Well, kind of.
If we get a house in the mountain, we won't be able to do anything.
Oh yeah, that's one of the big ones.
Oh
I ordered that.
Wait, is this like behind the scenes book? Dad, you know I'm in love with behind the scenes. Is this the official?
I think it is. Look and see. I ordered it offline. I saw it and I said, I gotta get that.
I think it is the official.
Let me see.
Celebrating one of the most popular comedies of all time.
Smell it and see if it has that in the new book smell.
It does.
Does it? I love that smell. I wish I could bottle it
The
up.
one where Monica and Richard are just friends.
I know you like to read, so, and you like behind the scenes, and like just.
Oh yeah, this is official because it's Warner Brothers and it's copyrighted by Warner Brothers.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Dad, I am in love.
And you like to read, which I'm glad you do because that gives good options.
You got me a PlayStation? PlayStation 5?
I have no idea what that is. I can't find no boxes. Can't find no boxes.
You used up all the boxes. I feel like you got more boxes than I did. I didn't get through the box. It's okay. They don't have to worry about me. I'm fine.
I have no idea what it is.
I have a feeling I know what this is.
You might like it, I don't know.
Maybe.
What do you think it is?
A wand foam.
No.
It's about the lens.
No, I'm not doing that.
I already knew from the moment I saw
I
it.
haven't wrapped it like that. Because if I wrapped it like that,
I would've known.
You would have known it was rocking.
Because I knew it whenever I...
Funny story. Funny
Woo!
about that. My grandma would wrap up a football in the shape of a football and she'd say, "Can you guess what that is?" I'm like, I said, "Can you give me a hint?" I knew what it was. She'd say, "It's something you like to go outside and whoa." I always play around with her and, "Really? I don't know what it is." A soccer ball? She goes,
Well, you can get Voldemort with Nagini, Bellatrix Lestrange, Lucy's Malfoy, Death Eater Skull Wand, Death Eater Thorn Wand, Death Eater Swirl Wand, Death Eater Snake Wand, Death Eater Stalin Wand, or Death Eater Brown Wand. I want Bellatrix.
That can be.
No, I want Lucius.
That can be your first video on Harry Potter.
I'm opening up whatever this is. Wait, is this actually...
Hold on there. Hold on for a minute.
It's okay. What about this one?
Yeah.
The heavy one. One of the heavy ones.
Little bit of mishap there.
Yeah. It's alright. You got me poo machine!
Yeah.
Oh, dang, what's wrong with this box? Got a mountain of stuff over there. I think I know what this is. I don't know what this is. Ooh.
Never had a Ripley's book.
Oh,
So you've always got Guinness books, but you never had a Ripley's.
nice.
So
I was gonna say I thought this was the Harry Potter behind the scenes Wizarding World book.
no, I ain't get you.
The Ancient City, world's largest outdoor museum. Harry Peepers. From the 11,000 foot tall mountain.
How old?
3. British siblings Jackson and Freya Howling climbed a nearly 11,000 foot tall mountain despite being only 3 and 7 years old.
Let's get a closer look on that. Here. Would you guys let your 3-year-old or 7-year-old
He's 3.
do that? That's crazy, ain't it? There you go. That's one I wrapped up last night.
So this is one I can open up now.
I cannot remember what it is. Yeah, I think so.
Bubble wrap. Dang. I'm guessing this was the same way.
I don't know.
Oh, that's nice.
I know you like Draco.
Yes, that's nice. Now,
I don't remember what this is.
ooh, that's nice.
Got that yesterday.
I like that.
If you go somewhere, put your books in
That's
it.
nice.
Friend's
I
book,
like
whatever kind of book. See if your friend's book will fit in it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's perfect for a book that size. Yeah, perfect. Go with those 3 big ones there. But the 2 bottom ones before the top one.
So,
No particular way, it's just the 2 bottom ones.
oh my god. This was what I said.
Oh, they're heavy?
A little bit. Oh, it's heavy, heavy. Oh!
You going to the hospital? Yeah!
This has to be another weight.
You just need one of them.
It has to be a different kind, though. Yeah. Yeah.
Walmart. I bought you Walmart.
You bought me Walmart?
Yeah.
That has to be like 20 pounds.
Excuse the dog.
Told you it was 20 pounds. You got me 2 10-pound dumbbells.
Yeah. What do you think it is?
I don't
It's
know.
looking at you.
I don't know what this is, Dad. Daddy, I'm scared. That's why you said you couldn't disguise it.
Yeah, you can just pull it out.
Sound of silence. So I don't know what to do next.
Go ahead and open up those little ones on top. In no order. Just open.
order?
Them. Yeah, just open them up.
Oh, watercolor decals. That's cool.
Let me see.
Oh, stickers. I'll use my stickers.
Oh yeah.
Made it all fancy, put my name on it. Dobby! Oh, Dobby is a funny elf. There's this, and then there's this one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fancy.
It is, isn't it?
You know, most parents will remember what they got their kids for Christmas.
Yeah. I really couldn't. A lot of them. What is that?
It's a car and fridge magnet.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's hard to believe that is actually Epidemic Sound.
I know.
I
All
mean,
right.
it's really good.
Opening up this one now.
Yep.
Those must be like giant gifts.
I hope you like them. It was a little different buying for you this year because I wasn't buying that one big item. So I had to get creative with it, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Hogwarts magnet. Now I need to get a magnet board for my room, Dad.
Yeah, we can work on that.
You got me so many magnets. Now I need to get a magnet board.
I didn't see one, so we have to. I was like,
Ooh.
open up this one.
open up the one now. I want to see which one I got. Oh, Ashley Draco. Oh. Ooh, potions class. That's so cool.
Okay, moment of truth. We are down, I think, to the last 3, unless you got some hidden over there.
I can look.
But, do you want to open up that one, this one, or this one?
Oh, they're all about the same big wise?
Yeah, I think you'll like all 3 of them. So, I tell you what, I want you to open up that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then after this, we're going over to Momo's.
Yeah.
That seems big.
It's a TV.
I have it for you. I don't know what's TV. It's just a stack of gifts.
I know, that is a lot.
Did you order this directly off Amazon or did you?
This original box.
It's the original box.
Probably open on the end.
No. I need some scissors. Nope.
Okay, I'll open it up.
What is that?
I mean, that is the original box. You know. Just throw it over there.
It's so good. What is this?
What do you think it is?
I don't know. What? What is that?
Huh?
What is this?
Get one of those magnets.
It's a magnet board?
Yeah. That's the only color I could get that looked decent. So, and I thought that was kind of cool looking. Yeah. That actually looks perfect with it. That looks perfect with it. It does.
I gotta do this one. That looks good.
And that's why I got you those magnets.
It looks
I was hoping they wasn't giving it away. I was like, I was going to just.
No, cause like I was gonna say like if the magnets, if I can get a magnet board, and I just figured, oh, I can just put some super glue on the back of the magnet and stick them on the little, you know, thingy I have up in my room hanging up on my walls. Like I can just super glue them onto that and boom, because they're like little posters anyways.
Yeah.
What is this for?
Oh, you can actually write on it, I think.
Really?
Yeah, and those magnets, if you want to put pictures, you can magnet a picture, like get a picture and print it.
Oh, that's
and do that.
so
So
cute. I love that.
it's very universal. All right. Now
two.
to the last 2.
Then we gotta go over to Momo's, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm sad.
Hold on, man. That one. That
Yeah,
one.
'cause this has Santa Claus on it.
I think that's the one.
Good man.
You probably won't like this one, but
Huh?
you probably won't like this one.
I'll love anything you get me.
You know.
Did you hear what I said? I'll love.
I know, but you ain't gonna like this one at all.
Totally. Yeah. Okay, some more time to open this stuff. Ah, you didn't wrap it anymore.
Oh,
Ooh. This is cool.
That's why I asked you about the wand last night. I said, oh, so you do have Lord Voldemort. That's why I asked you if you like Lord Voldemort.
I don't like him, but I like.
I know. I think this looks cool. You know, looks like a
Look
rock
at the first
star.
one. It's yellow. That's his original wand. And then whenever Harry defeated him, his wand wasn't powerful for him anymore.
Oh, okay.
So then whenever he got defeated, his wand wasn't like his.
Hey, let's hope. Maybe you got his wand in that.
That would be so cool.
Okay.
It is a Death Eater series. Oh my gosh, I love that, Dad. I'm gonna redo my shelves upstairs. I'm gonna redo my shelves upstairs eventually, okay?
Okay.
I'll put all this cool stuff on there. I can't say what it is because you probably got it wrapped a million times. Okay. Yeah.
No, I didn't. I just wrapped it. No? Okay.
It's the, ready? The last one. Boys, we're at the last present. I don't want it to be the last one. I know what this is. Yes. I'm gonna be evil. Look at the back. Look at the back of the box. Wow. I love it. Should I take him out or keep him in?
It's kind of up to you. You know.
Because you can interchange his head and his arms and stuff.
Yeah, that's up to you. Well, we got a mess to clean up. Look at that. So, Merry Christmas, Carmen.
Thanks. Do you like the stuff I got you?
I do. Come here.
I won't get up.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas Eve.
Yeah, that's right. Merry Christmas Eve. All right, well, we're going to clean this mess up real quick. But I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, or going to have a Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas Eve while I'm doing this video. And as you can see, we got a mess to clean up behind, and some stuff to put up. And Carmen has some stuff to open up. Maybe tomorrow. She's wanting to do a YouTube channel, so she's got some stuff to start on that. So let's get this stuff cleaned up. And you guys have a Merry Christmas. And this video is going to be as raw as I can make it. And it's going to be long, but I hope you guys enjoy our Christmas we shared with you.